What's up guys, Ryan with the MXG channel here. Just started raining here in Appalachia, but it's okay. I've got a brief message for you guys today, some news I have to get out. So you guys know I have a vast interest in many different types of motorcycling on this channel, kind of all over the place. So action cameras are a big part of my life, and more specifically, I've been on the GoPro bandwagon for the last 6 or 7 years because there's just nothing else that really can compare at the moment. But that's another story for a different video. But we knew that GoPro had a Hero 11 coming up this month because they release a new Hero in every September, and but we had heard that there was going to be some new products this year, and we got a leak last night. And for all you guys that absolutely loved the old session cameras, you're gonna love this. So it looks like it's gonna be called the Hero Mini or the Hero 11 Mini, but it's just kind of like the old sessions. It's not a perfect cube, as you can see, but it is a very small camera. It has no screen. The viewfinder on the front doesn't take up the entire camera, but it takes up a third of it or more. So this leak was brought to us by Winfield, and we got really nice high resolution pictures. But people loved the old session, guys. If you're not familiar with the session, it was just so small. It was a cube, and it made it really nice for getting shots in hard to get places. Like guys would mount it on RC cars, mount it on FPV drones. Motorcycle guys would take a couple of them. Maybe they'd put one down by their foot peg or under their fender. It was a more affordable option to give you a cool shot, a smaller, lighter mass, where you didn't need a viewfinder or you could damage a viewfinder. Now you will still be able to see what this camera is looking at because it's going to obviously have wireless Bluetooth connectivity, and so you'll be able to Bluetooth connect to your phone and see what the camera is looking at. But for most of the applications with this camera, you really don't need that anyway. So we have the picture, guys, but that's all we know. We don't know how powerful the internals are going to be, the sensor, what megapixels. We don't know anything like that yet, but I keep checking the GoPro website daily because they have to be announcing their GoPro event, which is usually like the second or third week of September every year, and then they'll be telling us about all these new products. So I'm hoping for a Hero 11, slightly upgraded, but in the same form factor, taking the same batteries and everything like that. But I'll definitely be grabbing a Hero 11, and I'll let you guys know as soon as I get on this channel. Don't know if the Mini really has much function for me, but we'll see when we learn more at the GoPro event. So stay tuned to this channel and you'll hear news on the new GoPro. Appreciate you guys. Grab your motorcycle parts from AOMC, hit the red subscribe button. See you in the next video.